Hi, my name is Peter Orpin. I'm a veterinary surgeon and also director of My Healthy Herd. This is the fourth in a series of videos on Johne's management using My Healthy Herd tool. We're going to click on the Johne's hyperlink and we get through to the progress page. In the earlier videos we've gone through the process of assessing the risks and also predicting the prevalence. In this particular herd we have a moderate prevalence of infection, we have high risk of spread of disease and moderate risks of disease entry. The area I'm going to focus on now is the disease control plan, because obviously this is where we can make a real difference on the farm. I've already put a control plan in place here, and this is basically made up of a strategy, a control strategy up here, which I've selected improve farm management. We're not going to use any testing in this particular example. We're just going to use husbandry, and the actual plans and actions are all detailed here within the actual plan. The plan has been scored for robustness, and it's a robust plan with the exception of one particular area, which is calf removal. And if we actually look here, we've created a plan, and the agreement with the farmer is calves are going to be removed within 6 hours of birth. This basically makes the plan incomplete. If we were wanting to actually have a more robust plan, we would really need to progress to snatch calving, and if we were to choose that task, that would make it a green or robust plan. So that's basically the system, that you can actually create a plan, and there's one of a number of strategies you can choose. Each of those strategies are actually scored, and that double checks that your plan is going to be effective, really, because unless you actually have this checking tool in place, there's a risk that you can produce a plan which is incomplete, and this would lead to future disappointment, as in 4 or 5 years time the disease may not be adequately controlled. If you wanted to reassess the strategy, currently we actually have 7 strategies listed here: improve farm management in single test, improve farm management with test and cull, moderate control and vaccination, biosecurity protection monitor, quarterly testing, risk-based control, the Danish system, and then purchasing replacements and breeding herd to commercial beef. It's important that you involve the skills of a recently trained and experienced vet to help you through this strategic control strategy option, because if you choose the wrong strategy and you don't select the right tasks, then your plan may not work. So that really just illustrates how the actual program works for control, and it's a very, very popular and effective way of actually making sure you can create a robust, shared, dynamic control plan which can be assessed on a regular basis. In the next video I'm going to talk in a bit more detail about how we actually institute the biosecurity plan, and also how we actually double check that this plan is actually effective by going back and revisiting the actual risk assessment. Thank you.